Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites. After Effects and your GPU driver must be up to date, and you need available disk space. Clear the disk cache and use Edit Purge to flush memory, then set the cache folder to an SSD if possible. Once done, switch the renderer to software only or disable GPU-accelerated effects to isolate whether the GPU is causing the black screen. This fast start narrows the likely culprits, so you can move to deeper fixes. Now you dive into the middle steps. Inspect composition settings for mismatches. Frame rate, bit depth, and color profile can trigger black frames. Make a duplicate composition and disable third-party plugins and nested precomps. This helps you find a specific layer that breaks rendering. Substitute suspect footage with a solid color layer or a short test clip to confirm playback. Make sure to scrub the timeline and RAM preview if the black disappears. You know which element needs fixing or reconforming. Finish by exporting and isolating the last issues. Render via the render queue with a simple codec or send to Media Encoder to see if external encoding resolves the black frames. If rendering still fails, reset After Effects preferences by holding Shift plus Control plus Alt on launch, or create a new project and import the old one to avoid project corruption. Once done, if you still see a black screen, toggle GPU settings or reinstall After Effects. These final steps usually fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.